Before I get into this video, I want to point out that I kept mispronouncing hyaluronic acid and subscription. I don't know. Don't judge me. Nerves was bad. Nerves is always bad. She can never be what I am, but as long as you leave, that's what it's gonna be. YouTube, it's your girl Alexis back here with another video, and today we have an IPSY unboxing. So I got this yesterday, and today is the 19th. So I'm gonna just be opening this with y'all. I already took a little peek inside, but I was like, shit, let me just get on camera and show everybody what I got. And I also ordered a separate thing from them on the same day that I got this ordered, and I'm gonna be showing what I got with the other stuff too. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with this because it's a big bag and it's so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's got butterflies and plants and flowers on it. Silky is so cute. So this is, matter of fact, let me find a daggone card that tell you everything you got and stuff like that. So, oh, everything not even on here. I don't know if this was like an extra. So this is all the other products. So I'm gonna put this down. So like I said, we're gonna start off with this bag. And inside we have refreshments cleansing face wipes. So I'm guessing these is like makeup removal wipes, which I'm so glad that these came in here with this because I was in need of some more. I'm finna run out of my other ones. So boom, bada boom, period. Happy about that. And then it has also some luscious hand cream in the smell citrus spritz. So I love this packaging, by the way. This is like very cute, the pink sleek chic type situation, and this matched the bag, so I'm here for it. Everything else that comes in here is just, it's like a little brochure or pamphlet about their company, and then all their social handles are on the back. This shit is really cute. They took their time with coming up with like their packaging and stuff, so I really think it's cute. Oh, and it has stickers. It says, show us how you get funky. Who doesn't love a little solo party? Share your proudest, quirkiest, glamorous me time moments with the refreshment party. This is so cute. I'm actually probably gonna put these on my laptop because I got stickers all over my laptop. So I love this. Yes. I'm gonna cherish this one because this bag is gonna come in handy for a lot of things. So let me tie her back up. Let's move on to the next stuff, shall we? Next, we actually gonna grab the IPSY Glam bag and see what's inside of it. Go, Me to You NYC eyeshadow duo in Cobble Hill. So I'm guessing that that's the shade. It's Cobble Hill. It's really pretty though. It's giving very like natural, grown and sexy vibes. It's like 2 different shades of brown, and they both kind of shimmer. This is really cute. Definitely gonna use this because sometimes I don't be feeling like busting out no big ass eyeshadow palette to do a makeup look. It really gets annoying. And then next we have this Gold Fading, I think that's how you pronounce it. Gold Fading MD Light Treatment Dark Spot Corrector. Does this work on like acne scars or something? Because if so, I'm excited about this one, baby. But this is what it looks like. It's super tiny. Super tiny. Next, we have the, everybody knows what this is. This is the Benefit Pore Professional primer or whatever. I'm actually going to use this. A lot of people say they don't like it, but I'm gonna give it my own try, give it my own opinion. And if I like any of the products, then I might do a review And if y'all want to see a review, let me know, because I'll do a review. Next, I have this super tiny Tarte Shape Tape Ultimate Creamy Concealer in the color Light Medium. I know there's been a lot of controversy behind this brand, but I'm gonna still use it because it's makeup, you know what I'm saying? And I've heard a lot of great things also about the brand, like their concealer consistency is top tier. I'm still trying to get my hands on that Kevin Aquan concealer because the way that be having the girls looking, it just be having them looking so snatched, and I'm just trying to be just as snatched as them. Do you feel what I'm saying? So that's everything that was in this bag. And then there is two more items, sorry. One of these items is also not on this pamphlet. So this is the last item on the pamphlet, and this is I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's called the SAEM. I don't know if that's supposed to be same or something different. I'm not even about to try to figure it out. But it says it's a biosolution hydrating hyaluronic acid and radiance multivitamin mask duo. Damn, that was a lot. That's a long title. And this is what the I need to retire already. This is what the hyaluronic acid one looks like. And then on the back it has a multivitamin one. And from the lettering, like from what's not in English, I'm guessing that this is a Korean brand because it's not Japanese. So yeah, I'm guessing this is a Korean brand. I'm definitely gonna be using these. Who don't love a good face mask? And hopefully they work. My skin is like, it's sensitive, but it's not too sensitive, so this shouldn't be too bad. The last thing we have here is Complex Culture. It's a 4-piece brush set. This is what the front of the package looks like. What the hell is this? But it's cute. It says on the back, life is complicated, beauty shouldn't be. Our award-winning multitasking brushes are designed to make your life easier. Each brush was meticulously made to do the work of multiple brushes to save you both time and effort. The first of its kind biodegradable handles feature a velvety matte finish for extra grip and control. And so it has the description of the 4 brushes that it comes with on the back. One of them says it's an all-over shadow, blends, contours, eyeshadow colors, and crease. And then one of them is precision eyelid, shades, highlights, defines, lids, can be used wet or dry, period. And then this one is easy crease definer, 3-sided brush adds eye crease and lash line definition. And then there's an all-over highlight powder. Fluffy brush creates luminosity and mattifies. So it's cute. I don't know if you all can see too well, but this is what they look like. They're still in the thingy. The handles do feel really, really good. Like it says a velvety matte finish on the box, but I don't know what it's giving me personally, but the texture feels really good. And like, yeah, it's definitely easier to hold than a few of my other brushes because I have a lot of makeup brushes. So can't wait to test these out and see how they do. They're really pretty. This don't feel like synthetic fiber to me. This feels like real hair. Ooh, well, I'm not gonna waste them, but I would prefer them not to be real hair because I don't know if they came off an animal that had to pass or not, but they do feel really good. They feel really thick and sturdy and professional. So I'm here for it, you know. I'm always here to try out some new stuff, so I actually like them. We're gonna see how that goes. Okay, so that was all for the January subscription for IPSY, and this is the stuff that I bought on the side after I got done subscribing to the January issue. I've already seen what's in here. I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. This was the bag. It's giving very much adult, classy, you know. I actually really like this. Like, I would rock this as like a pouch clutch or something. Don't come for me. I'm gonna start out with the Versali Unicorn Essence. This is super tiny, and I did smell it. I haven't used it, but it smells so good. I can't wait to use it though. I'm trying to like find a way to incorporate it into my skincare routine, but I don't want to mess my skincare routine up because it's also working for me. Conflicting energies, right? Right. It smells so good. OMG, it smells so good. And then look at the fucking packaging. It's purple. And if you ain't know, purple is my favorite color. Kaja Cosmetics Crystal Moon Sparkling Eye Pigment in the color 01 Goddess. 01 Goddess. This is the packaging. It's really, really cute. And this is what the stuff looks like. It's like a liquid. And it's in a really pretty color. I do like the color. This is also giving me like I don't know. This is actually giving me my birthday vibes because my birthday next month. In the birthday vibes. This next product is definitely something I'm wearing for my birthday. I haven't put it on since I opened it or nothing. But it is the Artist Couture Diamond Skin Finisher. And it's in the color Golden Hour. This junk is so pretty. OMG. Like, I don't want to waste none of the product because it's not something I'm going to use every day. I don't want to waste the product because it's not something I'm going to use every day, but I definitely want to show y'all why I really just was like, ooh, in awe. I hope y'all can see that. Like, and I have like the Juvia's Place, like the highlighter, the loose highlighter powder. I thought that junk was the bomb. No, this Diamond Skin Finisher is everything. I can't wait to take pictures with that on. I'm finna be making them real sick. They're gonna be like, what is that? Girl. And then the next thing I got was this Makeup Geek Quad eyeshadow palette, quad being 4. And it's kind of like, it's kind of got like similar shades to the Into You duo that I got in the January subscription for IPSY. And I kind of ruined this brown color, but this is what it looks like. And it's really pretty. This is also like something I would probably like incorporate into a birthday look with the transitions. I don't know. I'm trying to do grown and sexy for this birthday. Ain't gonna be no colors, no vibrance. Things that I usually do, but whatever. And the last item I ordered from IPSY was this Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I have used this like twice. I love this stuff. Like, I haven't used it in a minute, but when I was using it, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta save what's in the bottle because girl, y'all not finna empty my pockets like that. So I've just been using some other good setting sprays for now, but this here, I really mess with this. It's goated. So that is it for my IPSY subscription unboxing, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Anything that you want to see from me in the future, leave it in the comments below, and I do have a few videos that I plan on getting out within the next week or so. And yeah, I think that's it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye. Just